guys, welcome to our monthly inspiration hop for Not Too Shabby. We have some really fun designs this month. As you hop along, you'll see different projects from the design team featuring the stamp of the month, the box of the month, and the paper pad club of the month. So really fun projects. There's a chance to win a $25 gift certificate to the shop. So if you like, comment, subscribe, leave all the love, come back to the link that's in the description box to enter into the giveaway. One winner is going to win the $25 gift certificate, and I'll post the winner on the community tab. You can always click back on that link and it'll tell you who won the giveaway. So as I color in the images, I'm going to talk about some changes that are coming up. You never know when you're going to get a curveball thrown at you, so stick around and come listen. I'm going to use a Misty to stamp out my images. You're going to want an alcohol-friendly marker ink. I like to use Memento Tuxedo Black ink. Okay, I love this cute little image of this hutch. It's so cute in the armchair. Okay, so we're gonna have fun coloring this up. Okay, I grabbed a bunch of colors here. I think I'm gonna start out with this hutch. I wanted to do the hutch in like a bluish teal color. So let's see if these colors are gonna work nice. BG72, BG45, BG23, and BG000. This one's more of a grayish green-blue color, so I'm going to use that kind of like a shadow. And I'm going to add that underneath like the ledges on this hutch. And then in between the doors and like on the inside here, so it looks like this area is kind of raised. So we're just going to put shadow. So for all of our subscriptions, they are available as a one-time purchase, or you can join our club monthly. To join the club monthly, you'll see a drop-down menu, and you can choose for your frequency monthly. And then you'll get your club item delivered to you every 30 days from the date you purchased. You do get an 18% off discount when you sign up. You also get a juicy discount to use at the shop all month long. I add that to your package. Let's put a little shadow under this knob. And how about a little shadow around here so then it really looks like it's popping out. I have some unfortunate news. Unfortunately, we will be shutting down our Stamp and Die of the Month Club, as well as our Stamp of the Month Club. I don't have too many subscribers on the Stamp of the Month Club. Most people preferred the Stamp and Die of the Month Club. So I will be shutting those two clubs down. You are still able to join the club right now, and this is due to our manufacturer here in the United States suddenly shut their doors without warning. And I've looked into other options overseas, but since I'm such a small business, I can't sustain the minimum order quantity per design. The quantity is just too high, especially ordering monthly like that. It's just not doable for my company. I have a Facebook post mentioning the changes, and I've gotten so much support from you guys and so many great suggestions. A lot of you suggested to do SVG files, and that's a great alternative. So I will look into that, but I still won't be able to keep the Stamp and Die of the Month open because that's a physical product. And I have reoccurring orders that I have to shut down, and that is a big strain on my business. So it's very, very unfortunate that it happened. So I'm going to have to pivot to kind of recoup those costs. So I was thinking to maybe add the stamp of the month as an add-on to the Paper Pad Club. Let me know if there's any interest in that in the comments down below. If you're on the Paper Pad Club, would you like to add a stamp of the month onto your club? If there's enough interest, I may do that. It's just an idea right now. Okay, I'm going to take BG45. This is going to brighten it up. And I'm just going to go into the corners to have the corners kind of darker. So if you are currently on the Stamp and Die of the Month Club, you will be getting your packages through this month and March. I do have the dies already shipped here. I have them ready to go for March. So we will be able to fill those orders in March. And then in April, before your April orders kick out, I will be canceling those so they don't kick out. And so March will be your last package for the Stamp and Die of the Month Club. And if you're on the Stamp Club, that will be your last package. The rest of the clubs will continue. We will, there's no issues with those. You will be getting your box of the month and your Paper Pad Club. So if you are on that Stamp and Die of the Month Club, perhaps after April you would like to join one of our other clubs. Our Paper Pad Club is awesome. You get 2 paper pads and you can opt in for the coordinating ephemera. And possibly we may do the stamp set if there's enough interest. So let me know down below if that is, if that interests you. Okay, so I'm going to go in the middle here with this BG11 and just put a wash of this. I have to find a color that's going to kind of transition better. Let's put that over this little frame. I think it's a good color for the frame. Okay, so let's find a color that's going to transition this BG 23. Okay, so I'm going to use BG 53. Okay, so we have our little hutch done. I didn't do the top of the hutch, this little counterpart. I'm going to play some music while I do the rest of the coloring, so sit back and enjoy and come back for the finished card. I'm going to cut my images out with the die. I'll add a little bit of repositionable tape to hold my die down before running it through my die cutting machine. That way it won't shift on me. I'm going to take this sheet here from Cottage Comforts for a wallpaper. From Fresh and Fabulous, I'm going to take this wood grain and make a little floor. So I think this is going to come out really cute. So I have our floor. I cut a smaller strip for a baseboard. So let's go ahead and assemble the two cards. So I cut out the sentiment, every corner tells a story, which comes in the stamp of the month. I'm going to place it over my hutch so it looks like it's in front. And then add the little kitty. And this is going to go over the top. This is such a cute stamp set. It's really fun to play with. You can make these little scenes that you may find in your home. I have this one off to the side just a little bit so we can make room for our little cat. If you decide to join the Stamp and Die of the Month Club, it will be a short commitment. So it will last from February through March. So you'll get this month's set, and then you'll get next month's set before we close the doors on our Stamp and Die of the Month Club. Okay, so do I want the little kitty? Let's put him right there. So cute. I love it. And then we'll have our little sentiment at the top. And I'm going to try and center that. Let's hold that down while my glue dries. So I hope you hop to the next creator. There's a playlist in the description box. If you click that, you can just binge watch all of the videos on there. There, that is so cute, guys. All right, let's do the other one. So for this one, for the window, I want to put a piece of paper back there, a white one, and we'll kind of make a sky. That'll go up here. We're going to have our chair, our table. We are going to have this and our cup. Something like that. Oh my gosh, that is so adorable. So what I'm going to do is take this part here and snip this and kind of just place it back in there. And then we can color this. I'm just going to give it a quick wash of color. It's so subtle. Okay, and I'll just glue that right in there. Right back in there. Okay, I think I want the curtains to be right about there. Okay, let me get this piece out of the way so I can get some glue behind there. Okay, so now we have our chair in front of the window. And I just want to say a big thank you to all those who are leaving me such love on my post on Facebook. I talked about the closure of the dye company, and you guys just made me feel so much better, and things are going to start looking up. I just know it. Thank you guys for making me just feel so much better about the whole, you know, situation. Like they say, when one door closes, another door opens. So I am going to leave my heart open. Okay, I'm gonna have the little coffee sitting up there. And then we will do the sentiment at the top. We could also do it at the bottom. And I think I'm gonna do it at the top. Now, aren't those the two cutest cards you ever saw? I really love how these turned out. I think they're so fun and just so cute. So let me know if you have a favorite. Do you love the one with the curtains or the one with the hutch? Thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope you have fun on the hop. Good luck on the giveaway, and thanks for all your continued support. I will see you soon in the next video. Bye, guys.